Hello to everyone and welcome back. Today I will try out this BMW M1000R and it's actually in German, so I will enter the race mode. Oh yeah, it's quite high and now it's 15. I need to be here in roughly 30 minutes actually. Whoppa. Alright. I already need to say it's real comfy for a sport bike, so I feel really at home right now. I don't know where I'm going. I hope I will not have to edit too much. I got the mic under the seat. Oh wait, I didn't look whether or not. Yeah, I have the Akrapovic. I have the Race Pro settings. Wow, it just leans into corners. Wow. But it doesn't feel too nimble, not like mine, so I guess the carbon wheels do make a difference. Now, there are two things I can test right now. I got 30 minutes, which would be a lot, but right now it's not a lot. So today, or let's say this month, in Germany there is the Blitzer run, which means that Germany is doing a lot of blitzings. I need to blink, I need to remember. But I need to say that somehow this bike feels like it has less power. I don't know. Intake plus 21. Alright, let's go on to the highway. But I need to say that I'm not local here, so I don't know where the fuck I'm going. But for now, let's go on to the Autobahn. I will go off the Autobahn in a little. Oh yeah. I can drop down for dynamics. I will go down from the Autobahn on the next and I will try to get there by normal road. Beware, I never was in this location, so I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I see something from here. How nice. But sadly right now there's a lot of traffic. It's 3 o'clock. So yeah. But I love this bike. I have the Speedo. And now let's go down into one of the sport modes or sport tachometers. Wow. I need to know if my backpack is open because I didn't. Oh yeah, it opened a little. I need to be careful about that. So I have 30 minutes and I'm wasting them on my backpack. Nice. Now close this and back we go onto the highway. Now when you want to test the BMW, be careful when you crash it. It's insured, but if you crash you pay up to 2,000 euros. That's what you pay, and that's quite a lot. Where? There's a fucking city on the highway. What the? Oh no, I cannot go there. Why? What the fuck is this? but the bike sounds awesome. But the vibrations are quite dominant on this bike, and I feel a little bit compact on the bike. I believe my pegs should be a little bit higher and more to the back. I sit on it like a sporty, like a touring bike. What's the limit here? I don't know where the fuck I am. So if I run off, I'm sorry guys. Or if I'm late, if I do not do the 30 minutes, I'm sorry. But I simply do not know where I go. I don't know where I'm going, but I truly love the bike. Now, let me talk a little bit about handling on this bike. It's really nice and nimble. Like, it's not as nimble as my M1000R, but it's quite comfy too. It handles greatly, like the brakes are quite good. Of course, this is a little bit an upgraded one. I see already the M levers, so I believe I have the Pro Nissin calipers on it. I have the Krapovic on it. So this one isn't the base S1000RR. It has the SOS, the heated grips. Oh, this is a little bit wobbly. It has cruise control. It has all the bells and whistles it should have. So it's a really nice bike. And in addition, I truly love it. I would really love to buy it. Now I need to know about the pricing, about what I might roughly get from my M1000R, because basically my M1000R is brand new. Is the heated, oh, the heated grips are on. I was wondering why it's so warm. So in theory, I need to go in somewhere that direction. But how do you like the bike? I truly love it. I love the looks. I love the... Oh, it has also the lever on the right side. I didn't notice. Wow. It just feels phenomenal. It's just like mine, like the M1000R from the handling, just with plastics and the shortened gas throttle, which is amazing. I know a lot of people say the shortened gas is a problem for the road, but in my opinion the shortened gas is just the best thing about it. It's the best upgrade they made. Like, I don't know how people could say that this doesn't belong on the road. God damn, yes it does. With that shortened throttle. Oh, just now I enabled race mode. Now the banks and pops are here. Oh, now it just opens. I do not know where I need to go. In 15 minutes I need to be back at BMW, but I don't know where the fuck I am. So yeah. I hope I'm going into the right direction. I hope so. But Veyan, or how it's called, it should be in this direction. I don't know, but what do you think about the view from the videos on the S1000RR? I personally really love the view on this. I will talk about testing the M1000RR and the M1000R 2025 edition. Although you only get 30 minutes, but yeah. That's just how it is, right? Now, I have a German license plate, so now I'm low-key undercover. Oh, I just noticed there's a thing going down a little. So, quite interesting bike. Thank you, thank you. I feel so nice on this bike. Thank you a lot, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you a lot, thank you. The people here are so friendly, they move out of the way instantly. Oh, nice. I really like Germany. Thank you, guys. I truly appreciate it. I don't know if it's legal in Germany to do that, but oh no, now I need to go and look at the signals here. Vayon. Oh, fuck. But there's... where the fuck am I going? I don't even know where I am.